Welcome to Mystical Minds. I'm your host, Jamie Gerard, and today I will be reading poetry and prose from Danny Martin Gerard. He's the author of the Poetic Cues trilogy. You can find his work at dannygs.fortoday.com or Mystical Minds YouTube channel and podcast, co-owned with myself, Jamie Gerard. Our role in divine intervention. The process of recovery is a firm belief in wellness. You must focus on it until it becomes your very existence. Focus on it, speak about it, and act on it, and then allow the universe to do the rest. Thought, word, and action is your only power, and the rest must be left to the Creator to work His magic. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was powerful. I believe this poem 100% of my being. I believe if you believe and you put something out there from your heart, truly believe it, speak it, act like it's there, believe it's there now. I believe when you put that out there, that energy, that positive energy, I believe that's what'll come back to you. And I believe you have to follow the doors that open for that. Don't try to force things. That's the ego, I believe, that tries to force things. You think it should be a certain way. Try not to do that. Let go. Let the universe, God, open up the doors for you. Try new things if it has to be. Just follow your heart. Don't force it. Just bring your vibrations down. And whatever that desire is, that really desire that you love deep down inside, put that out there. Believe it's already there. I believe that's the key. You truly have to believe it's already there. And I believe God, the universe, will open the doors for you. Follow them, and it'll come to be. I believe that with my soul, my complete heart and soul. I believe that. You can have anything you want. Persist in it and follow those doors that open for you. Don't be scared of change. I believe that with all my being. Thank you so much for listening, and have a beautiful day.